Hello, my name is Putri Lairawati and my metric number is 67514. So today I'm going to present for the introduction part. Okay, as a manager of multinational company, our group are assigned to do a study research of commercial bank operation where we are going to compare the services that offered by specific bank in Malaysia. So many banks are owned by the bank holding companies, allowing more flexibility in which they are acquired other type of financial services in firms based in here. So the most common source are just like deposit account, borrowed funds, and long-term source fund. So while for the natural common which are transaction deposit, saving deposit, which are vary in the term of the liquidity and depositors and interest of the rate offer. So the most common use of fund by commercial banks are bank loans and also investment in securities. So bank can use excess fund by providing loans to other banks by purchasing other long-term securities. Hence, to study more deeply about this topic, our group has chosen Bank Islam, and it is one of the commercial bank that provide various security or service in Malaysia.
My name is Irene Liu with number matrix 66170. Today I will discuss about the background of the bank. Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad is a leading company Islamic banking sector in Malaysia. Bank Islam developed into one of the Malaysia premium financial institution which offering a variety of product and service to fulfill the financial needs of all religion in Malaysia. Bank Islam is the first Islamic bank and has the largest network of dedicated Islamic banking sources in the country with over 144 branches across Malaysia. Bank Islam was founded in July 1983 with the aim to assist Malaysian Muslim population with their financial needs. In 1983, which is first year of Bank Islam operation, was performed temporary office in Selangor with 30 workers. Bank Islam also had 4 active branches with 272 employees by the end of the fiscal year. The bank also offers deposit and investment, financing product, wealth management, business banking, financial commons, treasury service, and other information. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.
I'm Anya Nawifer, matrix number 65448. Do It Now is one of the services that provided by Bank Islam. It is a new banking service that aims to make it easier for users to make money transfer to someone. It is an online money transfer service that only requires users to make a transfer via a phone number or ID number only. The advantage of using the service can facilitate the transfer of money for user and business owner without having to queue at the bank and can be made by any time. Money market is one choice of deposit and investment product that comply with Sharia rules and principles. There are other services under it, such as interbank mudarabah and interbank wakalah. Both services used in the Islamic money market as a liquidity management. However, there are different in terms of the profit sharing concept, which is interbank mudarabah is all but not limited when the return is only determined on the maturity date, fixed maturity period, while interbank wakalah is based on a contract of wakalah agency. Next is capital market, which enable them to offer investor Islamic investment product on an outright sales basis from short term to long term. It divided into two parts, which is government investment issue and corporate sukuk IPDS. Both mature debt is fixed at the time of issue and coupon or dividend is made either semi-annually or annually. For government investment issue, Ringgit Malaysia is denominated long-term government security based on the Islamic principle of mudarabah, while corporate sukuk IPDS is denominated issue by a corporation based on Islamic principle.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Fatina Shairah binti Majali with metric number 65971. I will continue the types of services in Bank Islam. Next, Tabung Haji. It is the Malaysian Hajj Pilgrim Fund Board, also previously it was known as Lembaga Urusan dan Tabung Haji. Tabung Haji is a strategic partner with several banks including Bank Islam. TH Banking at Bank Islam is the service provided by Bank Islam and TH to their customer, for the convenience of performing various transactions at our ATM or CDM, internet and mobile banking. Then JomPay. JomPay is the national bill scheme that enables customers to pay bills quickly and securely through internet and mobile banking. Banks are supporting JomPay to enable online bill payment throughout Malaysia and available to all 40 banks in Malaysia including Bank Islam. JomPay is managed by Payment Network Malaysia Sdn Berhad PayNet. It is quick, secure and convenient. Everything can be settled quickly and easily with JomPay. Lastly, EPF e-pengeluaran. It is the change in the withdrawal application process that occurs when a physical application form is used instead of the online application method available on the EPF website. The use of EPF e-pengeluaran at Bank Islam is require only the registration of iAccount KWSP on the EPF official website before it can use throughout Malaysia. The advantage of EPF e-pengeluaran in Bank Islam include faster processing time, reduced hassle, lower cost, and most importantly, secure fund and data transaction.
Hi, I'm Doren Oliva Gilbert. Metric number 65818 will present on the obtained fund. As we already know, funding is very important for a company to grow and expand its business. By choosing Bank Islam for our company, we can obtain funds through their services such as money market and capital market. Basically, the purpose of the money market and its benefits to our company as a borrower is when there is a need for short-term working capital. Then, money market of Bank Islam can provide a low-cost source of temporary funds. In short, money markets can help to provide a way to solve these cash timing problems for our company. Other than the money market services, Bank Islam Malaysia also provides capital market services, which is the sector of the financial system concerned with raising cash through the trading of stocks, bonds, and other long-term assets. In short, by choosing services in Bank Islam, our company can obtain funds by investing profits, selling stock, borrowing capital or bonds, and most importantly, raise equity capital. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
My name is Bellarina Stephen, matrix number 67993. So I will present about head risk in Islamic Bank. So first, what is risk? Risk is the possibility of something bad happening. Risk involves uncertainty about the effect or implication of an activity with respect to something that human values, such as health, well-being, wealth, property, or the environment, often focusing on negative undesirable consequences. So risk management is very important, especially for Islamic bank, such as credit risk, foreign exchange risk, liquidity risk, operational risk, legal risk, production risk, interest rate risk, market risk, and so on. So therefore, the objective of a financial institution is to create value for shareholders by acquiring assets in many shareholder on fund to manage the risk. So I will explain one of the risks in Islamic bank, which is market risk. Market risk can be systematic or arise from macro source on non-specific asset of investment. For example, currency and equity price risk will fall under systematic category, and price movement of commodity or asset handled by bank will fall under certain market risk. So that's all for me, and I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Asma Fatin Amalia binti Abdul Karim. My metric number is 65495, where I will present conclusion part. Therefore, Bank Islam can be predicted to be a growing Islamic bank in the coming years. This can be realized if financial prospects and customer needs are prioritized and stable for the bank so that it can reach a growing global dimension, often entering new markets, advancing cross-border operations, and identifying skill and fund from global talent and capital pool as Islamic banks. This is since Islamic banking has faced several challenges to be competitive and increase growth in the future, such as tighter Sharia requirement and intense competition between other banks. In addition, Bank Islam should ensure the need to enhance their strategic position and operational efficiency so that they can move forward and further create a platform for new asset classes, which is one of the Sharia compliant methods.